All right, for our last problem, we have 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 5 plus 2i. Now the thing to note here is that this is linear. All this piece is a constant. These two parts together make one constant complex number. Okay, so those function together. It's going to be important to remember that. Now because we're dividing by something linear, we can use our synthetic division. So we can set that up. Remember that it's minus this, so another way I could write that is x minus 5 minus 2i. And so this would be my 0. So I've erase that, sorry. So I have 5 minus 2i. Here I have 2, and then 3, and negative 2. I don't have any gaps, so I don't have to worry about that. Now I go through the same process. Go ahead and give that a try while the video is paused, and then you can, if you get stuck, unpause the video. Alright, so again, drop just like usual. Now I multiply. 2 times this is just 10 minus 4i. Then when you add, so when we multiply to the real and to the imaginary part. When I add the real parts and the imaginary parts. So here, 13, and it's 0i, so minus 4i. Alright. Now I have to multiply again, but I'm multiplying two complex numbers this time, so that might be a little trickier. What I like to do when I'm multiplying two complex numbers like this, maybe make a little box like this. I have 13 and negative 4i. So here I have 5 times 13, 65, negative 26i here, negative 20i here, and then here I have negative 4i times negative 2i. Now, so 4 times 2, that's 8. A negative times a negative is a positive. Then I'd have I squared, and remember we've said so many times, I squared is negative 1. So that must mean I have negative 8 here. So when I put those pieces together, I get 65 and negative 8. So if I take off 8 from 65, right? Good. So take off 5, take off 3 more, so I'm at 57. And then I combine these two pieces. So now negative 46i. And then again, I add these two together. So that's going to be 55 minus 46i, because this would be plus 0i. And notice, I'm already finished. This whole thing is my remainder. So one way I can write this is that 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 is equal to x minus 5 plus 2i times, notice I'm squared here, I have linear term here, so this is going to be linear, then plus 13 minus 4i, that's my constant term. And then if I want, I can close that out and put my remainder separate here. Or my other option again is that I keep it inside. Like so. Okay, So hopefully that process makes sense to you.